In this segment, you're going to learn how to create and run a campaign, a personalized campaign off of your own personal domain or website. Now we're in a campaigns menu. You've seen this menu before. We're going to go to look at the list of the campaigns, and we're going to use the campaign we worked with before, this 200 dinner. I'm going to click on that campaign name to pre-fill the data related to the campaign into this campaign window. I am going to use this URL on your site field to specify the domain name where I intend to run this campaign on. And my domain is, I have to start with www, by the way. It's going to be free-downpayment.com. Now I just need to click here. Now you have already seen this page, and this page tells you that you need to take this content in this box and copy it into the .htaccess file that you have to place on your domain. And you have a couple of options on where you could put it. In my case, I'm using this domain exclusively for this promotion. Therefore, I will be placing it into the root folder, in the main folder on this domain. Now, if you have something else in the domain, you have to be very careful, and you should not put this .htaccess file into the root folder. You have to put it in some other folder, subfolder on that domain. Otherwise, you will create a mess out of your domain, and users won't be able to access your domain. But we'll proceed, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that it takes to create this personalization of the domain. So I'm going to copy this information that's been customized to my domain. I'm going to hit Control-C to copy this. Now I'm going to go to the control panel of my domain, a free down payment domain. I'm going to go to File Manager, and by the way, of course, your interface may vary based on what kind of hosting account you have, etc. But I'm going to the root folder. This is my root folder, a public HTML folder on this domain, and actually, it looks like I already have the .htaccess file, so I'm going to delete it for your benefit and pretend that I don't have it. I'm going to delete the file. I no longer have this file, so I'm going to start from scratch, and I am going to create a new file in the root folder that's called .htaccess. And now there it is. I'm going to click on it, and this interface allows me to edit the .htaccess file. It's empty. I just created it. I'm going to do Control-V to paste the data that you've seen here in your user account. I'm pasting it now into the file, and I'm going to save the file. Created this new .htaccess file on the domain free-downpayment.com, and that's really all it takes to create this personalization of this domain site and to be able to use this domain in your direct mail pieces that are personalized for the recipient. So let's now look and see how it looks like to the recipient of the mail piece.